So Mark.space, the next generation internet, an open source platform for the creation of 3D and virtual reality compatible web spaces or websites and objects powered by the blockchain. So what they are seeking to do is they want to create systems where you can experience anything called virtual reality or 3D objects without having some device or whatsoever, from your phone, from your tablet, your system. You can experience them. Let's see this video.
Mark.space is the world's first platform aimed to create 3D and VR compatible websites, or so-called units, which are the platform's basic dimension units. It's a virtual universe operating a handy and easy-to-use constructor for 3D and VR websites. With Mark.space technology, no programming skills are needed anymore. You are now able to create an easy-to-use and unique resource website which works in any browser without pre-installation and registration, and with a design adapted to any device. Consequently, Mark.space suits both large companies, brands, and individual users who can cooperate and join different communities, create their own 3D and VR content. They can optimize remote work, socialize with other users, create content, and even earn from system maintenance through development and promotion of the platform. Virtual units created in the system form the platform and expand the Mark.space universe. The project already has a working prototype, a real product where many famous brands already have a residence in the system or are going to open a shop or office after the platform's crowd sale. The virtual world of Mark.space carries all features of real life and is built after the real-world economy. The MRK token will be further implemented within its own blockchain and is to become a full value currency. The Mark.space crowd sale will be held from the 23rd of January to the 28th of February, where you will be able to buy an MRK token following its initial cost and also enjoy various benefits. This is a reminder that all crowd sale participants will get a free residency unit. Mark.space will become available and turn to a substantial virtual space identical to the real world, removing barriers and distances between people. The development of the new and existing locations will give vast opportunities for business, daily communication, work, shopping, and entertainment. Don't forget, the possibilities are limited only by your own imagination.
So, the video you just saw now is a very simple explanation. What Mark.space is seeking to do is they want to bring in not just websites, but you can build things like banks, cinemas, clubs, community of interest, personal space, everything inside the system. If we want to explore this particular system now, so you can create a virtual space like this. You can zoom in, you can turn. You can check up the website and see how amazing it is. You can create a visual store like this. So, and this platform has been featured on the Russian television. You can check the video yourself. So the demand for the virtualization of commercial products is too difficult to implement at the moment in terms of cost and creation of virtual stores. Merging such projects is out of question. What is the solution? We have built a platform that allows anyone to create and design commercial VR spaces without the need to even know the basics of coding and 3D modeling. And you can see the roadmap from 2015. And you'll be saying, okay, you can see a Mark.space unit VR, everything. You can see it there, where it can be used from cars, restaurants, gaming, shopping, movie, presentations, etc. Okay, you want to check who is behind the team. You want to check who are the advisors, the token, how much they're selling each token, and then the partners. Now, these are the partners. They will be listed on HBTC and this platform, Banco and Resident. Then there is something that strikes my eye. They already have partnership with Jaguar. You can if you click on the link, go on the website, you can make your own review. You will see the proof of partnerships. So these are not things that are just there to lure people. They partnered with Land Rover, and the list goes on and on and on and on. The partnership they had so far. So what they are seeking to do is really revolutionary, because if you look at the strength of their team, first, they have a very solid team. They have very good partnership. They already have a working product. And then if you look at the market, it's not about you are bringing virtual reality to people at all levels, smartphones, computers, any device at all. It's going to be big. So you are saying, do you know how many websites are on the internet today? And you want to become a revolutionary space. Now, imagine for example that the people who created the website, who first designed the website, commercialized the software. And they said, okay, for you to design a website, you use the HTTP programming language, or JavaScript or whatever, you will pay. Do you know how much you would have made? But they made it open source platform. Now, but with Mark.space, it's going to be free, but people will be using tokens to transact the space. So what are some of the advantages of Mark.space? What differentiates you from other platforms combining VR and blockchain technology? It's really simple. The use of VR and blockchain is the only similarity with other projects. While everything else is different, here are some of the main advantages. Now, high level readiness. Even before they say, you can check the demo. Cross-platform use. Our product runs on practically any platform, any type of smartphone, tablets, PC, and even smart TV. User friendliness. No knowledge of programming language required to use the platform and to create your own space. So this is like almost a content management system like Adobe Dreamweaver, where if you don't know how to program, you can just drag and drop, I guess, and be able to create your website. You can ask as many questions what is the minimum contribution? The minimum is 0.1 Ether. And the list goes on and on. So guys, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and let me know your comment below. Have a very nice day.